Hey guys, welcome back to 610 Bricks. In today's video, we're going to be building set number 40566 with 239 pieces. This is the Ray the Castaway gift with purchase that was available over the summer. This is no longer available on Lego.com, but it really doesn't matter because you could probably pick it up on like Bricklink or you could pick it up third hand somewhere. And I really think it's a great investment. I mean, this is a really cool set. It's packed with a ton of details, even if you wanted to just make the set. But if you wanted to use it, you'd get some really good pieces for mocks. You get a lot of like ocean themed pieces. You can use it for something along the lines if you're doing like a pirate theme or a beach theme or something like that. It comes with some really cool tropical items. As you can see, the minifigure here is super detailed. I really like his face features and his hair and how they did the SOS in the sand with the two snakes and the life preserver as the O. The back of the island is also pretty detailed. You can see how the trees are attached, and you can see the treasure chest on the bottom. And then as I scroll down here, you can see a lot of the botanical pieces and some of the cool little beach themes that you get, like the crab and the starfish. Overall, I think it's a great set. It's worth picking it up. If you guys enjoyed this video, why don't you consider checking out one of these? And if you haven't already, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I really appreciate it if you do. It lets me know that you're enjoying this content as much as I like making it for you.